Hello, Assalamualaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about how to earn money from AI voice. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be open. How to earn money from voice AI. When you search, the website page will be open. You just scroll down and click in this website how to make money with AI voiceover. When you click this website, the page will be open of how to make money with AI voiceovers. Are you looking for a way to make money using the power of artificial intelligence and voiceover? If you have to, so you can become a right place. In this video, we will explain how to use text-to-speech software like Speech Hello to create amazing AI voiceover that can be helped to earn more extra income. We will discuss way of to monetize your AI voiceover and show how to make money from it. Text-to-speech software is a type of computer program that converts written text into spoken audio. It is typically used in applications such as Vital Assistant, educational system, and customer services solution. Text-to-speech software uses the neutral language process algorithm to convert text into a variety of human-like voices. These voices are then used for the tasks such as reading, allow digital book, and providing the automated customer spotting. This quality is the output processed in text-to-speech software that can be very great depending on the type of software used in the capabilities of the system it is being put to run on. And once you have to time, systems are available for produce the recording sounding result while the other sounds for be unnatural. The most advanced system of speech hello are available for intelligently detecting the content. This is the text of adjust and pronunciation accordingly, making them sounds of the lifelike and easier to understand. Text-to-speech software can also used for to create AI voiceovers for videos, broadcast, and other media projects. That is, technology is allowed to people with a limited audio production skills and resources, quality of generating, professional sounding, and they have to create a business, can save their time and money producing digital content and marketing campaigns with a cooperative presentations. How can AI voiceover generate income? AI voiceover created with an text-to-speech software like Speech Hello can be a great way to make money with voiceover. AI voiceover can be used for a variety of applications, from creating commercial ads and narrating YouTube videos, broadcast audio, and learning courses. With the right tools that you know how you can monetize your AI voiceover project quickly and easily. For example, voiceover project from the companies and client looking for the voiceover you can be found and freelance website for Upwork or Fiverr. You have to also join online marketplace especially devoted to audio production, that is the hundred of job opportunities such as voices.com and voice123.com. Once you have to, the most of ways that you make money in the text-to-speech software is creating by audio version. For existing content, this should be have to and anything that you from a particle, low cost, and more. With the Speech Hello, you can easily create high quality of audio files and sound just like a professional narrator. You can either put the sale and audio files directly to use as a part of online courses and other product creation process. This is an excellent way to make money with voiceovers. For example, if you have an ebook about of learning English and search second languages, you can create an audio version with Speech Hello and charges if you have to website or throughout third party sites such as Amazon. If you are creating online courses, you can also include audio version and materials, in which cases you have to people will be paid for the cases and both written materials in the audio version. Tips of marketing: making the most of the DDS software. When you have to using to speech to software, this is important to advantages of all the features of available into the order of make the most of out of product. Here are the some tips making the most of DDS software. First step is choose this voice that is the best tools you need. Second step is utilize page setting. Third step is using pronunciation marks effectively. Fourth step is record the test and run before exporting. In the last step, take advantages for automation functions. Tip for maximizing your earnings with the Speech Hello. First step is constellation. Creating an AI is the voiceover and text-to-speech is the software like Speech Hello can be a great way to make money with voiceover. With the right tools that you have to strategies can create a high quality of files quickly and easily. Opening up to the range of your potential opportunities and monetization, where you have to creating the voiceover and advertising, for creative training, material and even of videos and characters. AI voiceover generated the speed text to speech software can help you bring your small some extra income.